Welcome back to the channel, or hi if you're new here. I'm Elise, and today we're going to be learning how to crochet these super cute little stars. These are great as appliques. You can put them on all kinds of different projects or just use them by themselves. This is also a great scrap yarn project. It doesn't take much yarn at all, and this is also a beginner-friendly project, so we will not be using a magic ring, and I will work through all the stitches with you as we use them. You can use any yarn and corresponding hook size that you have, but today I will be using some worsted weight for acrylic yarn, a 5mm hook, and a pair of scissors. So once you have all of your materials, we are ready to get started. Okay, to get started on our little heart, the first thing we need to do is make a slip knot. To make a slip knot, we're just going to wrap the yarn around two of our fingers and across, just like this. And I'm going to pinch that yarn tail with my thumb so it doesn't come undone. And I'm taking my pointer finger on my right hand, and I'm just going to put that under that first strand of yarn and over the second. Then I'm just flipping that second strand of yarn up and pulling it tight. Let's do that one more time. I'm wrapping the yarn around two of my fingers and across, just like this. Then I'm going to pinch that yarn tail with my thumb and taking my pointer finger on my other hand and putting it under that first strand of yarn and over the second. Then I'm just going to flip that second strand of yarn up and pull it tight to make my slip knot. Okay, so we're ready to go ahead and put our hook into our slip knot. You can just pull on that to go ahead and tighten it, and we can start on our chain. To make a chain, we're just going to yarn over and pull that directly through that loop on our hook. Again, yarn over and pull it directly through that loop on our hook. We need 4 chains in total, so let's do 2 more. Just yarn over and pull it through, yarn over and pull it through. So we have our 4 chains. I'm going to go ahead and cut this yarn tail a little bit so it's not in our way. Next, we're going to connect this last chain that we made with our first chain that we made with a slip stitch. So to make a slip stitch, we're going to go into that first chain, just like that. Then I'm going to grab that yarn and pull up a loop, and then I'm just pulling that directly through that loop on my hook. Okay, so you can see that we've formed this little circle with our chain, and we're going to be working all of our stitches for our little star into this circle, just like this. Okay, and now we're ready to get started on the star. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a single crochet into our circle here. So I'm putting my hook into my circle. I'm going to yarn over and pull up a loop so that I have 2 loops on my hook. Then I'm going to yarn over and pull through both of those loops on my hook, just like that, to make my single crochet. Next, we're going to make a double crochet into our circle. To make a double crochet, we're going to yarn over, put our hook back into that circle, yarn over and pull up a loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Then yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops, and you've made your double crochet. So you can see that we have our single crochet here and our double crochet right there. Next, we're going to chain 2. Just grab that yarn and pull it through the loop on your hook. 1 and 2. And now we're going to make another double crochet into our circle. So again, yarn over, go back into that circle, yarn over and pull up a loop so that you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, so we have our single crochet, our double crochet, we chain 2, and we have another double crochet into our circle. And this completes the first point of our star. And as I work, you'll see me moving my stitches back towards that single crochet that I made in the beginning. You can go ahead and scoot those down so you have enough room for all of your stitches into your circle here. Okay, so like I said, this is the first point of our star, just like that. So we need to go ahead and repeat this 4 more times. So I'm starting with my single crochet, going back into that circle, and making my single crochet. Now we're going to make another double crochet, chain 2, and make another double crochet into our circle. Just like that, and again I'm scooting those stitches down towards the single crochet that I made at the beginning, and that gives us more room in our circle. Okay, and that completes the second point of our star. Let's start over again by doing a single crochet, then a double crochet, chain 2, and make another double crochet into the circle. Scooting those stitches down so we have more room in our circle. And again, going in with a single crochet, a double crochet, chain 2, and make another double crochet into the circle. Okay, so we have 4 points of our star. We need to make one more. Go ahead and scoot those stitches down again if you need to. Let's make our last point. Again, a single crochet, a double crochet, chain 2, and another double crochet into that circle. Okay, and to go ahead and finish our star, I'm going to make another single crochet into the circle. Pull that tight. And we can go ahead and tie off by chaining 1. I'm going to cut my yarn. Then just pull that up through the chain that I just made and pull it tight. Okay, we're all done with our star. I'm going to go ahead and flip it over and pull on this yarn tail at the back to close up this hole in the middle. Okay, now we just need to take care of these yarn tails. You can go ahead and weave these in if you want to. I'm just going to pull this one in the front to the back. And I like to just tie those 2 yarn tails together. And then go ahead and trim them. Okay, once you weave in the yarn tails, you are all done with your star. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed the tutorial. Go ahead and let me know in the comments how your stars turned out, and subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in the next video.